Strategic Leadership and Knowledge Management by Myra Carter. Chapter Overview: The nature of strategic leadership, conducting a SWOT analysis, a sampling of business strategies formulated by leaders, knowledge management, and the learning organization. In summary. Strategy. Strategy is an integrated, overall concept of how the firm will achieve its objectives. Many companies have several different strategies for many opportunities and objectives. For example, Sonic has many different strategies for how they bring about many different foods and ice cream options. We have the opportunity to bring something for a few weeks just to see how well it will go over in different areas. If it does well, Sonic will bring it back at a later date. This drives new customers to continue our visit at our drive-ins. Components of strategic leadership. This is an example of a strategic leadership web. A way to formulate strategy. Crowdsourcing is a great way to formulate a strategy. It takes many different people from many places and different backgrounds into consideration to see what can be formulated into a strategy. Crowdsourcing can involve people from the company, stockholders, and even general public to get a variety of ideas and different options. SWOT analysis. A SWOT analysis is a method of considering internal strengths and weaknesses, as well as external opportunities and threats in a certain situation. The S stands for the strengths inside the company, the W stands for the weaknesses inside the company, the O is opportunities outside of the company, and the T is the threat outside of the company. How to conduct a SWOT analysis. The first step to a SWOT analysis is the strengths. The company will look at the many strengths inside the company to see what can be added to the company. The next is to analyze the weaknesses inside the company. The company will take a look at the weaknesses inside the company and see what should be changed. The next step is to analyze opportunities. The company will take a look at the opportunities that are near and how they can be taken care of to help build the company bigger. The final step is to analyze the threat of the other companies outside of the company. Each company have the one rival company that they take into consideration for all planning and opportunities. This is an example of a SWOT analysis. A sampling of business strategies formulated by leaders. Differentiation is a strategy that wants to offer a variety of products that seem to be different than the other competitor companies. Cost leadership is a strategy that allows companies to produce a product that is low in cost and allows them to sell a lower price to raise market share. Focus or niche is a strategy that focuses on a certain place or group for the products. High quality is a strategy to produce higher quality goods than that of the other leading competitors. Imitation is a strategy that allows companies to wait until the correct time to release a product at a lower price. Strategic analysis is a strategy that simply forms alliances with other companies to explore all market adventures. Growth through acquisition is a strategy for a growth of companies that buy out other companies. High speed and first mover strategy is a strategy that focuses on the speed of the company and all aspects of the company as well. Product and global diversification is a strategy to offer many different products and services to build the market opportunities. Sticking to core competencies is a strategy to best perform on the activities that are a success. For instance, if a company does very well at one task, then they will stick with what they do. Brand leadership is a strategy that builds reputation of a certain brand name. Focus on environmental sustainability is a strategy that keeps the environment green. This focuses on the environment on the external portion of the company. Competitive advantage through hiring talented people is a strategy for building a company that many different people. Competitive advantage through hiring talented people is a strategy for building a company with many different talented people and groups. Knowledge management is a way to create, deliver, and apply the knowledge that is brainstormed. Knowledge creation is used to push innovation of an idea or task. For instance, this is straight out of brainstorming an idea. Knowledge dissemination is through information technology is the most frequent activity within knowledge management. It is a method of sharing knowledge include companies' intranets that consolidates information in one place so that it is more accessible to potential users. Knowledge application. This is the process of getting workers better at what they do. Basically, the employees put forth the effort to use the knowledge that they have gained in some type of training. The following are the works cited used in this PowerPoint.